What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, I haven't done one of these for a little while, so it is time. What's on my iPhone 16 Pro Max before the S25 Ultra gets here, because I think this is going to become my secondary and I'll be using an Android as my daily driver, because right now I've got the Pixel 9 Pro XL and it's still the secondary device between the iPhone. I think I'm going to make the S25 Ultra the daily phone and give the iPhone a bit of a break and make it the secondary, but still obviously it'll use for like business and stuff like that. I figured why not show you what's on my iPhone 16 Pro Max, what case I'm currently rocking and what apps and stuff like that. I'm not going to run through them all, so I'm not going to make it a super long boring video. I'm just going to show you my main apps that I use and what I've done to my home screen, my lock screen. As you can see, I've only got one light on right now, so I've got an app on my home screen, which I'll show you in a second. It'll be right here in a sec. Not yet. I've got a folder called Studio, and in that I've got two apps. So I've got this light right here, which I switch on manually. I've got the Elgato Mini in front of me right here, which is like a sort of orangey light, gives us a bit of a glow. And then I've got my Amaran or Aperture, it's one of the two, 60D with the big dome on it, so it gives like the filter. So if I go ahead and switch on the Elgato first, so switch that on with the app, it gives that kind of orangey nice glow, which is how I've had all my videos going in the past, but I'll show you this in a sec. I'm just going to switch it all on and I can do it from my phone. So this is what the app looks like when you've got an Amaran Aperture light. I literally just click the green button right here, so I'll just switch it off and then switch it on and boom. So there we go. Before we hop in and I'll show you what's on the iPhone, currently using the Ryan London case, the leather case. It's absolutely lovely, smells great. If you want to see that video, that's up here for you guys to check out. I pair that up now and again with the Apple MagSafe battery pack. I'm still using it, it does have lightning. I think it's only this and my AirPods Pro Max that have got lightning now. My AirPods Pros 2s are now USB-C. Not that it mattered to me anyway, because I always use MagSafe anyway to charge them. And I've got the Nomad base stand upstairs, so I do use the Nomad base stand as well. So for stuff that I use with it, MagSafe battery pack, AirPods Pro Max with the bra. I'm trying to think what else I use. AirTags. I use the DJI Mic Mini now with this, so this now gets connected to this and I can, if I need to record, I'll film some clips with this. But I also use obviously the Osmo Pocket 3 and the Osmo Action 5 Pro 5. I'm trying to think what else I use. I use a MagSafe wallet. I use, it's not actually here right now, but it is the MagSafe leather from the previous one with Find My on it. In the van I've got the Pataka Qi 2 charger. I use that on a daily basis. There's a privacy screen protector on the front, so obviously, you know, it's a nice privacy screen protector. So if you want to see that video, I'll link that up here too, but I'll link the full 16 Pro Max playlist down below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over ever so slightly, even though the chair is huge, which there's a video coming on this very soon, so stay tuned for that. If I go ahead and hit screen record, and if I throw it up here, as you can see, so this right here in the middle, so I've got my main home screen down to just a few apps that I use every single day. So that's what I wanted to go for. I wanted to go for this for ages. Apple finally allowed us to move the apps around to wherever we wanted to in a fashion, and then I made a Widgy widget which has got the date and what degrees it is, and it says cloudy night. It's a Widgy widget which covers the screen. If you want to know more details on that and you'd like me to do a video on how I made this, let me know in the comments and I will make that video. It'll be just a short, but I'll show you how I made it. Then I've got messages, FaceTime, WhatsApp and X. I use constantly every single day. I'm always in one of them apps. Then I've got TikTok and Threads. I'm always on TikTok really. I do make a fair few videos which I kind of use as YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. If you haven't followed me on any of them apps, I'll leave links right here to where you can follow me on each individual one. So be sure to head over and, you know, maybe give us a follow. I do tend to follow a lot of people back, so there's that. And then obviously, as I said to you, there's the Studio app, the Studio folder. This will grow as we get more stuff to fill this, because that's the deal with the chair. So the chair is part of the series, which we're gonna do this entire area. So make sure you stay tuned for them videos going live. So I've got Sidious Link, which controls my main key light, and then Control Center, which controls the Elgato, which is the orangey light here, but it gives like a nice glow. Then I've got Creativity, and in this I've got YouTube Studio, always in YouTube Studio, Lightroom, CapCut for when I make a short and I don't really want to get the laptop out, I'll just make it on there. Lens distortions to add a bit of flair to like a thumbnail, and retouch to take some stuff out. I use them all the time. Then I've got Phone, my Gmail app, which I used to be really good at not allowing these red bubbles anywhere on my phone, but now because of this new job that I'm doing, and hopefully there's a day in the life video coming on that soon, but it'd be like an S25 Ultra day in the life and being out in the van, so stay tuned for that one. Safari, and then Instagram. So if I scan across, what I've done is I've made like all the apps into these folders apart from a few, because what I do is I swipe down, and as you can see there's like me main city suggestions at the top here, but I do use Waze. So I'll just scan down, type in Waze, and then click Waze. Waze is me navigation app of choice for while I'm in the van. So I've got my calendar at the top here, and then I've got Lumi, which shows me when the sun sets and sun rises, so I can know the best optimal time to go out and film if I want to make a car video, or for when I'm doing the S25 Ultra day in the life. Then I've got Apple Home, it's got like notes, Apple Music, podcast, etc. in that one. Then I've got one called Apple, which has got my Apple Wallet, voice memos, calculator, my watch app. Then I've got Connected. In Connected, my main app's at the front here. If I scan across, there's not much going on really. Nextbase I use all the time, Road Angel is in the van. Whoop I used to use, I did have a Whoop band, I've still got the Whoop band, but there's something else coming in, so stay tuned for that, and Plord as well. That'll be coming very soon, a video on that. But my PS app, which I use for my PS5, Insta360 for the small camera, my Safe Link for the Safe, there's a video coming with the Safe Pro, Remote Play Game Pass, DJI Mimo, because I use the Osmo Pocket 3 as the main shooter, and I'm using an Action 5 Pro as a top down now, so I use the app there to get the footage off easier. Blink for the Blink cameras all around the house, Camera Connect for the Canon and Demo. I used to work with Demo and I've done a few videos with them, but I still use the device is still in the car. Entertainment, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Twitch. Some apps in here I don't really use anymore, and I could do with getting rid of them. The finance folder I'm not going to go into. Navigation is just Google Maps and Apple Maps are sitting in there, which again I don't use. I do use Google Maps now and again because Waze sometimes won't give me the right direction, but I know Google Maps will point me back in the right direction. Photo and video again I don't really use on this phone. There's a lot of apps on this phone I do not use. Inside shopping, you got AliExpress, eBay, Amazon. Again, there's so many apps. The Aftership is a good one. If you get a lot of deliveries, Aftership is a great app to use. Inside the social folder, you've got Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Reddit, Discord, Vero. I did try that at some point. And Blue Sky, I did obviously make my username for that in case it ever took off and everyone moved over. But I did get my username for Blue Sky. Travel, Virgin Atlantic, Aer Lingus, IHG. With the job I'm doing now, I'm staying in a lot of hotels on a Monday night. I use these to get the best deals and also obviously to gain points with the IHG and Best Western and stuff like that. Not Best Western, who's the other one? Wyndham. So Wyndham and IHG, I'm kind of building up points with them right now because I'm staying in them hotels a lot. Yeah, I mean, that is pretty much it. This will change going forward because obviously when this becomes the secondary, the S25 Ultra will become the main, and I will switch over properly. I'll show you what's on my S25 Ultra, but this will change because I'm going to slim this right down to where it may be only just one screen. I won't have any apps here, I'll just be able to search here. I think that's going to be the way forward. So I want this video to kind of hold me accountable to make that video. So make sure you stay tuned. Let me know what you think of what's on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let me know if there's any apps you think I should check out. This will change, as I say, it will change drastically. So make sure you stay tuned because I'll bring you that video once it changes over. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you liked this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. turn those notifications on, and I'll see you all soon.